Toony builds a tower reaching to the sky. Tina makes a rainbow bridge, colors flying high. Momo sneaks behind them with a tiny ninja crawl. One little paw swipe, and down goes it all. Boom, blocks everywhere. Momo's causing chaos in the air, but giggles fill the living room bright, 'cause playing together feels just right. Momo, we shout with cheer, fun and laughter everywhere. Where did Momo go? He's quiet like a mouse, tiptoeing softly through the whole house. When Momo is silent, we already know adventure or trouble is ready to go. Dun dun dun, we look around. Little fuzzy paws make the funniest sound. Sneaky Momo on a secret quest, always turning mess into the best. Floor in the air like snowflakes falling. Spoons go clank, kitchen chaos calling. Momo dives into a pot, tail sticking out, covered in flour like a snowman scout. Hey Toony, we're a family team. We clean it together, that's the dream. Grab the broom, the sponge, let's sweep side to side, with Momo in a headband dancing with pride. Swipe, sweep, sparkle and shine, working together feels so fine. From a messy storm to a kitchen bright, teamwork makes everything just right. Meow meow Momo joins too, and cleaning is fun when it's me and you. It can lead to mess, foam done away. Helping each other makes a brighter day. Teamwork, magic, tried and true. Anything's possible with me and you.
Like, share, and subscribe! See you in the next video!